Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Vechain. You know what, how much is Vechain worth today, my friends? A lot of people ask me this type of questions, so finally I decided to answer your questions, and let's see what tell us Google about this question, my friends. How much is Vechain worth today? But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos, my friends. Absolutely, if you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about cryptocurrencies market, my friends. The live Vechain price today is 0.024 hours. Let's see the more details about the Vechain. Oh my goodness, you can see the market cap. Now this time the Vechain price is 0.08831 USD dollar. Absolutely, Vechain is now very worthy, my friends, very worthy coin in the market, because the changes of the Vechain is positive. So if the changes is positive, that means that Vechain start pumping, and if the Vechain start pumping, so that means that Vechain will give you profit, my friends. The price of the Vechain is going to increase. That is why I'm telling you to buy more and more Vechain and make a good amount of profit with the Vechain, my friends. Anyways, at this time the changes is positive, so that's mean that we are going to the moon, my friends. Furthermore, let me show you the more details about your Vechain price chart. Let's see, my friends, that is the all-time chart of the Vechain. Absolutely, in a previous time, at this time, this is the May month, and the May month the Vechain take a huge pump. But now in the June month, I think you can see in the start of June the price of Vechain is falls down. June month is the bad month of the Vechain, but now this time in the July month, you know what, in the beginning of the July the price changes of the Vechain is start positive, my friends. So now this time the Vechain is very worthy coin, because in the July month the price will pump, and if the price will pump, so you will get profit, my friends. And personally, my friends, I'm feeling very good about the Vechain. Tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about the Vechain, my friends? You can see the trending volume is negative, but very soon the changes will become positive. A fully diluted market cap, everything is going positive, my friends. So the price of Vechain very fastly moving upward. Hope they will give you a good amount of profit, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.